Now, there is another definition. This is from Collins English Dictionary. Collins. Okay, Collins. This is Collins. I'm writing it down here. According to Collins English Dictionary, linguistics is the study. Linguistics is the study of the structure. Now, even Collins says the same thing, of the structure. Here you may note down the points of, say generalization or similarity. Linguistics is the study of structure, development, both words are there here also and here also. You find the same words being used, etc. of a particular language, and its relationship. This is important, and this is a very important point, and this is a point of difference. Like you do not have this point here in the Cambridge English Dictionary, but Collins points it out. This is very important. Linguistics is the study of the structure, development, etc. of a particular language, and its relationship to other languages. Like when we discuss, suppose, for example, English, and say English is a particular language, English is the given language, the specific language that we are talking about. So while we are talking about, say parts of speech we are talking about nouns, verbs, or say pronouns, adjectives and all. So when we are talking about parts of speech of English language, parts of speech in other languages is just not the same, and the structure S plus V O is not the same in other languages. For example, in Hindi you do not have this structure S plus V plus O. It's different in Hindi. That is why you cannot translate from one language to another literally. Literally means if you do literal translation, sometimes it becomes very absurd. Like I'm reminded of a very funny example which people often cite while they are talking about the literal translation. Like they say, "Mera sar chakkar kha raha hai." If you say my head is eating circles, that would be very absurd. What would you say instead? You would say that I'm feeling dizzy, right? So this was a definition given by Collins English Dictionary. It says linguistics is the study of the structure, development, etc. of a particular language and its relationship to other languages. This is what linguistics. This is what the study of linguistics does, or say linguistics do. They not only study a particular language, they study the relationship of that particular language with other languages as well. It's very important. So these were the two important definitions. And both, as you have seen, both Cambridge and Collins, they talk about the structure and development of language. Our Collins extends the scope and includes relationship of a given language with other languages. Now let us this is from Webster's Dictionary. You may take that down also. Shall I remove it now here?
Yes.
I'm writing these definitions so that you know what dictionaries, they give the most authentic definition, the most authentic, the most acceptable definitions. That is why it is better to take definitions from good dictionaries which have international value, international authenticity. So this is from Webster's. Webster again is a very nice dictionary. It says, Webster dictionary says that linguistics is the study of human speech. Linguistics is the study of human speech. Of human speech, including the units, Here you have a bit different words. Units, including the units. Nature, okay, nature, nice. Nature. Structure, this is the common word which was used by Cambridge and Collins. Structure and modification. Now, although it's a different word, modification, but it means the same thing, development. Modification also means change, that means development over the previous, say, definitions or ideas. And modification of language. Language is not static, it keeps on modifying. You have modifications, you have changes, you have developments. So this is in a way the same word, development. The structure, they are repeated, but here you have two new words. Linguistics is the study of human speech. Human speech. Because spoken form is the most important form. And that is the primary form. That is, first a child learns to speak. A child listens to his siblings, his parents, and people around him, and then he learns to speak. So the first skill, that he acquires, which is very important, the most important I must say, is speech. So that's why, this dictionary says, Webster's dictionary says, that linguistics is the study of human speech, including the units. Okay? So, when, Webster dictionary is talking about units, so it is talking about phonemes, you may say. Nature, yes. Nature is, you may say, concord. What is concord? Agreement between the subject and the verb is concord. If you have a singular subject, for example, he, she, then what do? You add s after the first form of the verb. So this is subject verb agreement. So this is the nature of the language. This is how English language works. So units, nature, structure. Structure is the same thing as plus V plus O. And modification, that is development of language.